DoorDash has steadily been lowering base pay over the years for DoorDash drivers, and it's extremely frustrating. Price of everything, inflation, all this other stuff is up. We're getting paid less in base pay. I'm going to give you some things that I'm going to be seeing trending in 2024 with DoorDash base pay to help you not be as impacted. Wait till the end. I got some great information for you guys on what I've been seeing in real results for the last 2 weeks in my market. Welcome back to the RideShare Guy. My name is Pedro. Listen, $12 base pay. I'm going to put some screenshots here. I'm going to show you guys some things that I've been seeing, and I'm going to explain to you at the end why I'm seeing these orders and what you could do in your market to possibly find these orders and follow the high base pay trend. Now, even with that being said, I know that a lot of drivers are struggling right now. January is usually historically a slow month. We're starting to see a lot of saturation. There's a lot going on in the gig economy, especially with the DoorDash app, and a lot of people are having to have a lot of other apps. But I want to talk about an app called Solo. Check the description and the pinned comment to sign up for Solo, an app that can give you guaranteed earnings in your market, information on when good times are to Dash or Spark or Instacart or Uber Eats, rideshare information on your market as far as what's happening, as far as events, a lot of knowledgeable information to put more money in your pockets per hour in your market. Check out the Solo app down below in the description box and a pinned comment. All right, so let's continue. I'm going to continue to put some of these payouts here. $12 base pay. How am I finding it and where? I'll get to it really quickly. Papa John's, Pizza Hut, and other local, depending on your market, pizza joints. The trend, I'll start with Pizza Hut first. They've nationally have stated they're going to, a lot of locations are going to start not having in-house drivers. What that means, one, possibly more opportunities for you. Being part of that pizza program and having your pizza bag, I got mine right here. I got several of them. Some places hand them out for free, okay? Is a game changer. If you're in it, you know. It doesn't mean all orders are going to be good, but we want to see opportunities. Pizza Hut in 2024 is going to trend upwards on the opportunities you're going to see and possibly higher base pay. That's Pizza Hut. Now, your local joints could be the same. Papa John's. Papa John's, a lot of them are franchise. I have information from several different locations in St. Louis. 2 of them that have higher base pay, and the other ones that are shared with me, they're going to about a 50-50 split of in-house delivery driver runs, if they have drivers, and third party, Uber Eats, DoorDash. Some locations don't have drivers at all, and they're going away from that model altogether for various reasons. Maybe they're hard to retain and attract the drivers. Maybe, people are leaving, and some areas in St. Louis or your markets, a lot of people don't have automobiles. They get bussed into work. Their mom or dad drops them off. Their boyfriend, girlfriend drops them off. They don't have a car. The manager's not taking deliveries. That is the case in 2 of my Papa John's. $12 base pay. You're seeing orders, and I'm showing them here. I'm showing some of them probably here now as well. That's crazy. Every order is pretty much worth it, even without a tip. You're going to get hidden tips on these Papa John's runs. Pizza Hut, hidden tips are hidden tips. Pizza program in 2024 could be a game changer for you. I've made significant money the last couple of weeks since these locations have started implementing a $12 base pay. So while base pay for most of us is down, DoorDash is as low as $2 for me. Find the merchants that are participating with DoorDash and can up the base pay. Now, another thing about these runs, the base pay is high when the order is placed on the website of the merchant, not DoorDash. So when I see an order and it just says Papa John's that comes through and there's no store number, I know that was placed on DoorDash. When you see Papa John's, Pizza Hut, and a correlated store number like 505, for example, that's placed on the Papa John's website, and there could be inflated base pay. Take this information, have conversations with people, with managers and people in your marketplace. Ask questions. These are the 2 questions you want to ask. Are you guys still doing in-store delivery? Do you guys have drivers? See what they say. Shut up. See what they say after that. You might get some information, you might not. But that information, so if they tell you one, we're going to be doing a 50-50 split, maybe you'll see some more orders. We're going away from that. We're going to use third party. Maybe you want to give them more of your time in business. Maybe you want to park outside that Papa John's on a busy Friday night. You might see some good orders. It doesn't mean they're all going to be good, but the opportunity there and a higher base pay makes it worth the time. Take this information, apply it to your zone, apply it to your marketplace. It doesn't mean you're going to see that. But in watching this video, now you have a little more information. You might be able to take advantage of it. A lot of my fellow St. Louis drivers and in other markets are seeing this and they're taking advantage. Strike while the iron's hot. I don't know how long this will last. Papa John specifically can manipulate and send orders out on that party app. They could change the base pay based on their needs. Knowledge is power. Appreciate you guys for watching this video. Drive safe. Make good decisions while you're out there. And check out the Solo app in the description box to sign up.